Hello, good morning all of you students. Today I discuss your first chapter crop production and management स्टैंडर्ड 8th। ये पार्ट 6 है। इसमें हम लोग डिस्कस कर रहे थे एग्रीकल्चर प्रैक्टिसेस पे। तो उसमें से डिफरेंट टॉपिक्स है रिप्लेसमेंट्स ऑफ न्यूट्रिएंट्स इन द सॉइल क्या है। अब सॉइल में न्यूट्रिएंट्स का रिप्लेसमेंट कैसे होता है उसके बारे में हम लोग डिस्कस करते हैं। सॉइल सप्लाइज मिनरल्स न्यूट्रिएंट्स टू द क्रॉप्स। These nutrients are essential for the growth of plants. Due to economic reasons, farmers grow crops in the same field year after year. Continuous growing of crops makes the soil deficient in certain nutrients and the soil lose its fertility. So, the soil nutrients should be replaced from time to time. This could be done by following either natural methods or additions of manure or fertilizers. First of all, after plugging, then adding the soil nutrients, different types of nutrients, different types of method, different types of activity. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल पॉइंट नेचुरल मेथड्स टू रिस्टोर सॉइल फर्टिलिटी। द फर्टिलिटी ऑफ सॉइल इज रिस्टोर्ड नेचुरली बाय अडॉप्टिंग द फ्लोइंग मेथड्स। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फ्लोइंग, इन दिस मेथड लैंड इज लेफ्ट अनकल्टिवेटेड फॉर वन और मोर सीजन्स। द फ्लो लैंड regions the nutrients by decompositions of remains of plants and animals by the action of microbes. Different points. Crop rotation. Different method. Crop rotation. Crop rotation is the method of growing different crops alternately on the same field. For example, the farmers grow crops like wheat, barley in the first year. This is followed by growing leguminous plants like peas, soybean in the next season. This helps in replacement of soil with nitrogen. You have learned earlier in class 7th that bacteria called rhizobium. Which type of bacteria to called rhizobium required nitrogen from atmosphere to convert in nitrate. Rhizobium are present in the root nodules of leguminous plants. These bacteria convert atmospheric nitrogen into simpler nitrogen compounds, which can be easily absorbed by plants. Plants can easily absorb through moisture, through atmospheric water vapor to soil moisture through the water. Farmers are being encouraged to adopt this practice. Next method, mixed cropping. In this method, two or more crops are grown together in the same field. The crops are selected such that the nutrient requirement of one crop is fulfilled by the other. Leguminous crops such as peas, soybeans and cereals crops like wheat or rice can be grown together in the same field. Cotton and groundnut are also leguminous grains are grown together. Next topic, manure and fertilizers. What is manure and fertilizer and also use? Use of manure or fertilizers is called manuring. This substance enhances the fertility of the soil. To increase the fertility of the soil. Manure is an organic compound obtained by the decompositions of plant and animals waste by microbes. First, compost is a type of manure. Compost is prepared by the decomposition of farm and domestic organic waste material like animals, excreta, fishes, matters of human beings sewage waste, weeds, dry leaves, etc. In a compost pit, the process of producing compost is called composting. The process of producing compost is called composting. We may define composting as a biological process in which microbes decompose the organic matter present in organic waste materials to produce manures. Compost is rich in organic nutrients but not in some essential nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. Green manure. Next point, green manure. Some crops like sun, hemp or sesbina are grown in field before sowing the seeds. They are then plugged back into the soil. When seedlings are young, these plants decompose in soil and increase soil fertility. Increase soil fertility. Fertility. They also provide protections against soil erosions and leaching. Fertilizers. Fertilizers are human-made chemical substance. Fertilizers are human-made chemical substance which are rich in one or more nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. Fertilizers are produced in factories. Some examples of fertilizers are nitrogenous fertilizers, urea, ammonium sulfate, sodium nitrate. Next one, phosphatic fertilizers, phosphorus, phosphate, ammonium phosphate. Next are potassium fertilizers, potassium sulfate, complex fertilizers, nitrophosphate, urea, ammonium phosphate. This is an example of fertilizers are human made. Next, fertilizers are soluble in water. Fertilizers are soluble in water and thus are easily absorbed by the plants and increase the crop yield. Fertilizers are usually applied either by spraying or through irrigation canals. Advantage of manure. Children's lessons. What is advantage of manure? The organic manure is considered better than fertilizers. Organic matter is considered better than fertilizers. Thus, this is because it enhances the water holding capacity of the soil, makes the soil porous, which makes exchange of gases easy, increase the number of soil friendly microbes, improves the texture of the soil, adds humus to the soil, is not expensive and can be easily prepared from waste in the farm, does not cause water pollution. Difference between fertilizers and manures. First, nature. Fertilizers are inorganic salts. Manure is natural organic substance. Next, preparations. Fertilizers are prepared in factories. Manure is prepared in field by the decomposition of animal waste, human waste and plant residue. Next, humus. Fertilizers do not add any humus to the soil, but manure, it provides a lot of humus to the soil. Next point, fertilizers are rich in plant nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium, but manure, it contains less amount of essential plant nutrients. Fertilizers are costly. Manure is not expensive. Fertilizers, for example, urea, potash, ammonium sulfate, but sun hemp or sesbania is a manure. Disadvantage of using fertilizers. Disadvantage of using fertilizers. Modern agriculture greatly on the chemical. बच्चों today your part 6 is ended. Next day will we discuss advantages of using fertilizers. Thank you.